Hey, what's happening? It's Angel here. Welcome back to our channel, where you're tuned in with your friendly guide to all things travel. If you're looking for an adventure that's totally lit, you come to the right place. It's all about the vibes, culture, and life-changing experiences, right? Well, buckle up because today we're diving into the vibrant and enchanting city of Barcelona. I mean, who wouldn't be stoked to roam around a city brimming with art, history, stunning architecture, tasty tapas, and glorious beaches? Yeah, we're gonna spill the tea on all the best spots. But first, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Let's make sure you don't miss out on our next big adventure, right? Cool, let's get into it. First up, we can't talk about Barcelona without mentioning the iconic Basilica de la Sagrada Familia. This jaw-dropping masterpiece has been in the works for like more than 100 years and is still not finished. How wild is that? The genius behind this legendary basilica is none other than Antoni Gaudi. I know we've got plenty of Gaudi fanatics out there. Let's immerse ourselves in the labyrinth of alleyways of the Barri Gothic, or the Gothic Quarter. Bruh, this place is the OG of Barcelona. It's where the city started as a Roman village. Every corner and every alleyway tells a story, so be prepared for some serious time travel vibes. Check out the Barcelona Cathedral while you're there. The Cathedral of the Holy Cross at Saint Eulalia, also known as Barcelona Cathedral, is a Gothic cathedral and the seat of the Archbishop of Barcelona, Catalan, Spain. Don't forget to pop into one of the two cafes for a quick curtadao. Curtadao is an espresso drink of equal parts espresso and steamed milk, kind of like a latte. And now let's take a breather at one of Gaudi's legendary creations, Casa Mila, also known as La Pedrera. The organic lines and undulating facade and the rooftop chimneys that look like alien soldiers. Everything about this building will blow your mind. No wonder they say Gaudi was centuries ahead of his time. From the architectural wonders, let's shift to Barcelona's social pulse, La Rambla. There's a mosaic on La Rambla by famous artist Joan Miró, but people often step over it without even noticing. So keep an eye out and grab a cool Insta shot. But what's Barcelona without its chill beach life, right? Let's head over to Bogota Beach. It's less touristy and cleaner than the Barceloneta beach, making it a perfect spot to soak up the sun or catch a game of beach volleyball. You can't visit Barcelona without stepping into the dreamlike world of Park Güell. Yeah, we're back to Gaudi. This dude was everywhere in Barcelona. The park is like a page out of a fairy tale book with gingerbread houses, undulating benches, and stunning views of the city. If you're into symbolism and hidden meanings, you'll find a lot to geek out about here. Okay, so here's another must-see. The Arco de Triunfo. No, we're not in Paris. Barcelona has its own version, and it's pretty legit. It was built as an entrance to the 1888 Barcelona World's Fair and is surrounded by lush palm trees. It's a def jam spot for some pictures. Last but not least, let's wrap up at the Ciutadella Park and Barcelona Zoo. The park is a perfect mixture of culture, nature, and fun. You've got a zoo, a lake, several museums, and the breathtaking Cascada Monumental Fountain. Plus, it's a hot spot for all local skateboarders, artists, and musicians, so the vibe is always on point. Alright fam, that wraps up our trip to the vibrant city of Barcelona. With all the diverse range of attraction, it's not just a city but a whole vibe. If you like this video and are keen on exploring more epic places, make sure you give it a thumbs up and share it with your travel buddies.